As the automobile industry continues to evolve, Lotus has not been left behind in the race. With its recent launch of the Eletre S, the company has marked a significant transformation in its production line. The car is classified as a hyper SUV and promises a stunning blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The vehicle's design is a nod to the company's rich history in performance and agility. The exterior presents an aesthetic appeal with curves and lines reminiscent of Lotus's sports cars. However, the vehicle has been given a modern twist to fit in with the demands and preferences of today's drivers. It incorporates an active front grille that adjusts based on aerodynamics and cooling requirements, which is not just functional, but adds to the striking appearance. Under the skin, the Eletre S boasts an electric premium architecture platform. The EPA is a modular, highly adaptable platform exclusive to Lotus, laying the foundation for a light, stiff, and strong frame. The smart use of materials like aluminum and high-strength steels, as well as sophisticated joining technologies, has resulted in a 10% weight saving on the body structure. This contributes to the exceptional driving dynamics that Lotus cars are known for. One of the highlights of the Eletre S is its dual-motor all-electric powertrain. With an 800-volt, 112 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, the vehicle is set to redefine performance and efficiency in the electric vehicle segment. The 800-volt architecture is advantageous as it allows for less weight, better power efficiency, improved thermal management, and faster charging compared to conventional 400-volt systems. The layout of the battery pack is innovative, with prismatic cells arranged directly within a structural casing. This design not only reduces weight but increases energy density. Such a configuration ensures that drivers enjoy an extended range without compromising the vehicle's performance. The vehicle's electric drive units are light and compact, integrating into both the front and rear axles. This makes the Eletre S the first all-wheel drive Lotus road car. The permanent magnet, synchronous motors combined with single-speed transmission on both axles make for an exhilarating drive. With 603 horsepower and 710 Newton-meters of instant torque, the car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds and has a top speed of 258 kilometers per hour. Notably, the regenerative braking system is finely tuned. It allows the motors to act as generators during deceleration, recapturing a substantial amount of energy that would otherwise be lost. This feature enhances the real-world range, which is a significant factor for electric vehicle users. Charging the car is fast and convenient. It features a 22-kilowatt onboard AC charger as standard. For those with a wall box at home, it takes less than 6 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. When using public charging stations, the car benefits from rapid 350-kilowatt charging, allowing for an 80% charge in just 20 minutes. Moving on to the interior, it's nothing short of luxurious. It features a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and a high-center console, reminiscent of the Lotus Emira and Evija. The cabin is spacious, and the fixed panoramic roof adds to the sense of space by allowing natural light to flood the interior. Storage within the cabin is abundant and practical. It includes features such as a storage tray with wireless phone charging and twin cup holders that stay flush with the surface until needed. The rear occupants aren't left out either, as they have access to a wireless charging mat and cup holders. Sustainability is a crucial theme in the interior design. The car features an innovative material called Fiber, which is made from waste fabric from the fashion industry. This premium textile offers softness, luster, and smoothness while being sustainable. Other material options like Ultrafabric and Alcantara are available for seats, which are lightweight and sustainable. In addition to performance and luxury, the vehicle has been engineered to meet or exceed global safety standards. With a focus on maximizing occupant safety, it features high and ultra-high strength steels and hot-formed steels to reinforce the A and B pillars. Another impressive feature is the car's towing capacity. Selected models are rated at 2,250 kilograms with a brake trailer. Coupled with the big trunk and front luggage compartments, this adds a dimension of practicality and versatility, which is unusual in high-performance vehicles. The Eletre S marks a significant milestone for Lotus. It combines performance, luxury, sustainability, and practicality in a way that's true to Lotus's DNA. It's not just an electric vehicle, it's a statement on where Lotus is heading in this electrified era of automobiles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.